Using a nail buffer might seem harmless, but it could be sabotaging your beauty routine. Did you know that the wrong grit level can lead to serious nail damage? Many people underestimate the importance of their nail buffer, treating it as just another tool in their manicure kit. That shiny buffer could be hiding risks that threaten your nails' health. Imagine preparing for a big event thinking you're enhancing your look, only to realize that choice is leading you down a path of trouble. A buffer that's too coarse can strip your nails of essential oils, causing brittleness and painful splits. You might find yourself trapped in a cycle of damage, desperately trying to repair what you didn't even know was being harmed. Have you ever felt discomfort after buffing? That's your body sending a warning sign. Ignoring these signals can result in long-term damage, and the beauty industry often overlooks this, but you don't have to fall victim to it. Check your nail buffer now. Are you using the right grit? It's not just about achieving shine, it's about protecting your nails. A soft buffer can be beneficial, but knowing when to use it is crucial to avoid overdoing it. Your nails deserve the best care, so don't let a simple mistake ruin your look. As you go through your beauty routine, make sure it's one worth sharing. If this resonates with you, feel free to share your thoughts below. You never know who else might be facing the same challenge. Let's start a conversation about nail care and take back control of our beauty routines together. Have you ever glanced at your nails and thought they could use some TLC? You grab that nail buffer feeling like a pro. But what if I told you there are hidden risks with that seemingly harmless tool? Many don't realize that the grit level of your nail buffer can greatly affect your beauty routine. It sounds straightforward, but using the wrong grit can do more harm than good. Imagine prepping for a big date, eager for your nails to look flawless. You pick up a buffer that feels just right, but a few days later, you notice something strange: your nails are weak and peeling. The truth is, many overlook the hidden causes of nail damage. Different grits serve different purposes, and choosing the wrong one can lead to thinning nails and painful hangnails. It's not just a bad nail day, it's a slow slide into nail disaster. Let's picture this: you're at a salon, and the nail technician is happily buffing your nails. While the experience feels great, what if they're using a grit that's too coarse? That overbuffing can strip your nails of their natural shine and strength without you even realizing it. Many think that more buffing equals better results, but that extra buffing might actually be causing microters. Each satisfying swipe could be leaving your nails vulnerable. So, how can you protect yourself? Pay close attention to the grit levels. A buffer that's too harsh won't just dull your shine, it can lead to long-term issues like brittleness. A gentler approach can help keep your nails healthy. Before you buff again, take a moment to consider what you're using. It might save you from a nail crisis down the line. And remember, the next time you reach for that buffer, think twice. Your nails deserve the best care, not just a quick fix. Reflect on the journey from a beauty routine to potential disaster, and choose wisely. If this information has opened your eyes, it might be time to rethink your beauty habits. Have you ever thought about what's really in your nail buffer? Many people overlook the risks of using the wrong grit levels, which can pose a hidden danger in your beauty routine. Picture this: you're getting ready for a big event and want your nails to look flawless. You grab that shiny buffer, but do you know its grit level? Most people don't, and that small detail can lead to serious issues. Using a buffer that's too coarse can leave your nails vulnerable. Imagine noticing cracks or splits just before you head out the door, or perfect manicure ruined in an instant. So why do we make these mistakes? Maybe you picked up that buffer on sale or trusted a friend's recommendation, but not all buffers are created equal. Some are for shaping, while others are for polishing. How can you tell which is which? A common myth is that more grit equals better results. In reality, using an overly abrasive buffer can weaken your nails over time, putting your nail health at risk. Now, think about your nails looking dull and damaged because of that seemingly harmless tool in your drawer. It's frustrating to realize how something so small can have such a big impact. This is just about looks, it's about your overall health. Have you ever dealt with a painful hangnail or a split? These issues often stem from improper buffing techniques, creating a frustrating cycle that can leave your nails worse off. How many times have you ignored that nagging voice asking, "Is this really the right choice for me?" As you start to see the bigger picture, the tension builds. The beauty industry is full of secrets, and this is one of the most overlooked. But don't worry, you can change that. Finding the right grit for your nails is about more than just appearance, it's about understanding your specific nail type. Softer nails need gentler buffers, while stronger nails can handle a bit more grit. So, how do you break this cycle? Be mindful of your purchases. Read the labels, do some